You can double the recipe, you can triple it. So this is about 1.5 cups of strawberries. It doesn't look like much. That's what came out. We're gonna let this cool.
Maybe because I stole one.
She did steal a strawberry or two. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel,
Latino Keto.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our first video. Today we are going to show you how to make your own jam at home or strawberry preserve. It's gonna go perfect on top of that keto cheesecake that we made on the last video.
They'll fill in every single crack if you even get cracks.
Yes, so I don't know if you remember, our last cheesecake looked perfect, but then it had a few cracks. So we're gonna show you the perfect solution you can put on top. It's delicious, it's keto friendly, and it makes it look beautiful. So let's go to the ingredients. All right, so there's only 3 ingredients. It's super easy. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of lemon, 1.5 cups of chopped strawberries. So it's the perfect time to use those strawberries that are starting to get not so perfect time to use these.
They look so good.
They still look delicious. And then 3 tablespoons of your keto sweetener of choice. We are using swerve erythritol for this recipe. So we're gonna cut up the strawberries and we're gonna be right back. All right, so that was a lot of work. We just cut up 1.5 cups of strawberries. We just cut it into about 4 pieces each, took off the stem. She's gonna eat our product here. Took off the stem, and these also were pre-washed. So we did wash them with, first we rinsed them, took all the excess dirt, rinsed them with vegetable wash, and then soaked them with some white vinegar. All right, so then next we are going to put them on the stove. All right, so my beautiful helper here has been stirring this right now for about 6 minutes. It's getting there, so I'm gonna show them real quick. These strawberries are soft, okay? They're starting to reduce. So in the process, you can kind of start smashing them a little bit.
And they smell so good. I had to leave the kitchen for a second.
Yes, because she wanted to eat these boiling strawberries. So we are going to go ahead and let these cook just a few more minutes. I'd say about another 3 minutes, and then we'll be done. It's that easy.
I know.
All right, so that's good. This has been cooking for 10 minutes. We're gonna turn it off. We like this nice and chunky, so we just mashed it up with the spoon, but you can blend these up if you like it really, really thin and no chunks, but we like it like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into a mason jar.
There you go.
Thank you. We're gonna scoop this into a mason jar. Hopefully I can get this without making a mess.
Can you put it more closer?
It's gonna get hot, so I'll do this. And we'll fast forward through this. All right.
I licked the spoon, but it's like 100 degrees.
Yes, we're gonna have to wait till this cools down and then you can lick away. So we have, you can double the recipe, you can triple it. So this is about 1.5 cups of strawberries. It doesn't look like much. That's what came out. We're gonna let this cool.
Maybe because I stole one.
She did steal a strawberry or two. So we're gonna go ahead and let this cool completely, and then you can store this in the fridge. So before this video ends, we're gonna come up, we're gonna show a pancake, and then we're gonna top those pancakes with this. Again, you can also use this to top that strawberry or that cheesecake we made. This is the perfect amount to top it. All right, so we'll be back when this is cooled.
This is amazing jelly. So I'm just gonna, I love jelly here. Okay guys, so it's time to try them. This jelly is amazing.
Neilani?
Oh no guys, she's coming. Okay, I gotta go. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see you in our next video.